So today I'm going to show you how to connect your PayPal to your Amazon to be able to make purchases. Now you could do this without even having your debit card physically in hand. Now, as you can see, we are currently on the PayPal account on our phone right over here in real time. We're currently on the home tab. Now, the biggest thing about this is you will need to have the free PayPal debit card, which of course you can manually enter in, but either A, you don't have it or it hasn't arrived yet. So I'm going to show you how to go ahead and go through this process. So here for us, you can see it says PayPal balance, and right underneath it says you can actually simplify your shopping. Now you won't always see this setting, so I'm gonna take you through a little bit of a deeper dive on how to get to this in case it doesn't show up in this section here for you. If it does, you can click right here and follow the next step right after this. So what we wanna do from here is go to the top left side of the screen. It has those three stacked lines. Let's click on this. And this is gonna take us to our overall PayPal menu. Now from here, we're gonna go to PayPal debit card. And if you do not have a PayPal debit card, this is the section as well to go through and order your free debit card. Now we're gonna click on this, and it's gonna go ahead and load up here for us. Now you're gonna see your overall debit card, any amount that you have on here. Now also too, really quick side note, in case you didn't know, PayPal debit cards actually have a 5% cashback category. Right now you can see it's groceries, and every month you get to choose the category, whether it's gas, clothing, or groceries. You can go ahead and choose those different options. But outside of that, what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna go down here where it says add to favorite store. Let's go ahead and click on this. So that's gonna take us over here to go ahead and select the merchant. You can search for it, but you could also see Amazon here is at the very top. But again, if it's not, just go ahead and start typing it in the search bar. So let's go ahead and click on Amazon. Now from here, it is going to be using a company called Knot. If this is the first time you're clicking on this, it might give you just a quick heads up of what Knot is. So just something to keep in mind. But because we've already used this before, it's just letting us kind of a quick reminder of what this is all about. So we're gonna go over here and click on continue. And then from this section, it's gonna ask us to go ahead and log into our Amazon account. So this is our Amazon email or phone number, as well as the password. So we're gonna fill this in. And from here, once you have your email and your password put together, just go ahead and click on sign in. And for ours, it is going to just do a one-time passcode for us just as additional protection. So just go ahead and enter that in. And right over here, you can see that it is connecting. And right there, your card is being added to your Amazon account, which means you can use your PayPal account on your Amazon. And don't forget to check out the actual 5% cashback bonuses that you can get for using your PayPal account. Now to show you how to activate that 5% discount, I'm gonna actually have my video right over here to show you step by step on how to do just that.